It's Teemu from Bike and Tuning, and today I'm gonna show you how to reset the service light, the service spanner from Suzuki V-Strom 1050 year of 2020. So first you need to find the diagnostic plug. It's here, and then this flat edge is here. So then you need some kind of jump wire. This is just a wire that is stripped the insulation over that, and I put these in these small holes here. The small ones, not because there. Now the ignition is off. Now I put the ignition on. Now you should see here C00, that means no codes inside. Now you have to exit on this one, so here's the buttons. If you hold it long enough, it's gonna come out, and if you hold this downwards long enough, it's gonna basically go in. So this is enter and this is exit. So now I'm gonna hold the exit for a while. No, like that. Now I'm pushing down. Service, and I'm gonna hold down now to enter in the service. There. Now there's the reset. So basically just hold it long, and again you can say no or yes, and again hold this long, and there you go. And after that you have to set the next service date, so it's a year from now, or 12,000 kilometers. So this is what it asks here. It doesn't ask when it's done or anything, it asks when is the next service. So it's a year from now or 12,000 kilometers. So we're gonna press down, 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 and then we're gonna approve this one, holding this set for a long period of time, and there you go. The service is set. So simple as that, but you just need to know what to do. Anyway, hopefully it helped. Enjoy.